Certifications are very important. It's like a badge on your uniform. You can say that, there are a police inspector or traffic controllers staying there, and he does not have a uniform, he does not have a badge. Nobody will follow instruction, right? The same way, SAP certifications are very important, and it's a very good badge to be added on you on your profile. Okay, it make a lot of sense when you're looking for jobs. So with the TM certification also, we highly recommend people, if you're learning TM, you should also do the TM certification. That will increase the number of calls you are getting it for your interviews. So our structure, we have put it like that, the bundle which we have put it like that, that it has the a full training program. Even the certification portion also has been covered in that. Certification help is also there. So you are not only getting a training, you can also get certified on SAP TM. So let me share that what kind of bundle we have. So this is the SAP TM bundle. This is a link, you can go through this TM bundle. So it has a full training program, and you can see these are the products which has been included in this SAP TM. This is a full SAP TM training. Step up circle is there, and SAP TM 95 certification help is also there. So the certification questions which we have gathered from the different resources would be available. So you can go through these questions, you can practice it, consider it as a practice question. You can practice these questions, and then later on you can also get certified with these help. So it has a full program. So in the game of high flyer is also included, which will help you to let you know that what kind of things happens in the implementation projects, how you need to prepare your profile or CV. So the full complete package is there, including the certification. So learn TM and also get certified.